I've been wanting to try a traditional home-cooked meal since I got here in Kota Kinabalu. And to help me do just that, we have with us housewife and foodie Mariana Mugindol, who will teach me how to make a traditional home-cooked meal. Hi, Mariana.
Hello, Kelly. Yes. Welcome to Tamu Dongong.
Thank you, thank you. I was wondering, what does Tamu actually mean?
Tamu means a meeting place for all the villages from the outlying district. And different village have different vegetables, different fruits, and sometimes maybe some like fish which they rear or they're caught in the river.
And we begin our food adventure here in this Tamu market. We will now look for the freshest ingredients that will satisfy all my Kota Kinabalu cravings.
Oh, hello, Kelly, this is my husband,
Hi.
Florianus Siambun.
Hi.
He'll be the cook today.
So what else do we need?
Bamboo shoot.
Oh, yeah.
Yes. Yeah, we walk over here. There's bamboo shoot, I think.
Okay.
Over there, I can see the bamboo shoot there. We have the bamboo shoot here.
Oh, it's already sliced.
Yes, it's ready sliced.
Makes life easier.
Makes life easier for the housewife and those who are working.
Oh, with the flowers.
This is bunga kantan, wild ginger flower, bunga kantan. It's used for making tom yum. You cook it tom yum,
So
see?
this is pre-mixed, so you
Pre-mixed,
don't
yes.
need to think anymore.
Yes.
I've always believed that in order to experience the authentic lifestyle and culture of a city, tourists should carve out time to visit their local markets. And no doubt, this Tamu visit gave me a taste of what a home-cooked meal is like in this island. There's so many different kinds of fish.
Yes, all the different kinds of fish. And this is the sardine fish. This is the one. We call it bosungan.
Bosungan?
Yeah. Yes.
Okay.
The locals call it bosungan. You look at the eyes. If it's very, very bright, that's very fresh. And to tell you the truth here, our vendors, they always sell very fresh fish.
Okay.
Bali lang ito, 1 kilo. Now, are you ready to cook?
Yes, I am. I'm actually very excited.
All right, so we'll go back and we start with the cooking.
All right.
Good afternoon and welcome to our local cooking class.
Yes,
Kelly.
I feel so welcome here in your lovely home. I have
Thank you
to
so
say,
much.
I love this, all this space and this light.
I see that both of us have aprons, but you don't have to in this case.
Thank you. Okay, so I am ready to learn how to cook these traditional dishes that you mentioned. So
Okay.
I'm quite excited. Where do we start? Since I'm a newbie cook, it takes me quite a long time to
learn.
slice.
Right? Are you okay with ginger?
Of course, yeah, I love ginger.
So we put in the ginger.
Okay, yep. Ginger,
We add in a bit of this
shallots.
to give it the good aroma taste. So this is chicken
Yes.
back quarter.
Okay.
And for your information, we don't take off the skin as well as the bone because without the skin and the bone, the flavor
The
is
flavor,
no
yeah.
good. This is the winter melon. And just put them in there. The whole lot.
Wow.
Goji berry.
Everything is already there. If they don't put it in earlier, they will forget about it.
Okay, that
Okay.
sounds perfect to me.
Okay. Let
Okay.
me put it to boil.
Okay? Yep. Perfect. And we are just beginning to learn more about authentic Bornean food, thanks to my personal tour guides, Mariana and Florianus. Next week, we continue cooking and exploring with a tour of Kota Kinabalu. For more weekends, more friends, and more trends, only here on Trending with Kelly. For week-long updates on my latest travels and features, you can follow me on my blog, kellymisa.com, and social media accounts, Trending with Kelly and Kelly Misa on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. See you there.